This is a typical refrigerator that's been tucked away behind, and you can tell that there is a lot of dog hair, a lot of lint, and the vent is clogged. Now this will actually cause the motor to short out, and this should be actually cleaned at least once every 6 months. This is definitely an extreme situation here. And it can also lead to a fire. And especially if you have any animals, dogs, cats, you name it, the hair will go underneath the refrigerator and connect to the vent right there, because that's where it sucks it all in. And it doesn't take a lot. All you need to do is just get a little bit of hair in there, and potentially, best case scenario, your refrigerator will fail. Worst case scenario, your house will burn down. Hope this was helpful.